I'm going to teach you how to draw a twist. So draw a couple of dots down the page, try to make them as even as possible, and then you're going to draw some dots on either side in between to form this kind of like diamond shape or on an angle square kind of shape, and then you're going to go down and keep adding those. It's going to look like you've got 3 columns of dots, but they need to be aligned. You've got the outer ones that are in line with each other, and then you've got the center line of dots that is slightly offset. So we're just going to call it a diamond, and inside that diamond you're going to draw this equals sign, which is like inside the dots, as you can see, and then you're just going to go down the drawing and continue to add these equal signs. Now each dot on the side underneath one of the dots, start your curved line and join it to the straight line of the equal sign, just like that. And you're just going to continue going on. And I think it's easier for the other side to just rotate the page and continue that same motion. Underneath the circle, start your curved line and connect it to one of the straight lines, just like that. And then you've got a twist. Now, just for the top and bottom, I guess you can have whatever shape you want. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like to have a curved shape. And I'm just going to start on top of the little circle and come around and bring it and join it to the straight line. And then down here, we're going to have a slightly more pokey end. So just like this. I like both. I don't know. I just chose to do both just as an example for you all. And I'm going to use a thicker marker now, and I'm just going to go over all of those lines. Now, you don't have to do this. It does look quite nice with a fine liner, to be honest. You can also add some really nice intricate details with fine liners, but that's not what I'm doing with this one today. I'm just going to do a really nice bold twist, and I'm going to add a little bit of a creative element on the inside. So I'm just going to add the little background here. I'm just kind of covering those dots that we had there. You don't really see them. You can make a bigger, more dramatic background or make the outline thicker if you wanted. So I'm just going to add this line on the inside now, very close to the edge on one side, as you can see. And then I'm just going to follow it along as if it's snaking around and twisting like what it's actually doing. And then you can leave it like that. That looks quite cool like that, but I'm going to do it on both sides. Because of the thickness, you can change the look of this if you place those dots further apart from each other. Right at the beginning, by the way, you can change the thickness of the twist. Now, coloring it in, I'm just leaving a little gash of white, as you can see, just to give the illusion of some kind of reflection. You can also go in afterwards and you can add this on top of the color if you want to. I just think it's easy to add it as you go. You just skip a couple of parts on the outer edges and it gives that illusion of something reflecting. And that's what we've got. And then I'm just going in with the grey for the outline. And I think that is super duper easy to do. What do you guys think? Of course, drawing twists and knots can get quite tricky as well with all the dot placements and the line placement. But this is a really nice, fun way to start.